Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error Windows Store error with the error code 0x80072EFD, then please watch this video. Now the resolution has been mentioned on the Microsoft Answers forum. Scroll down and you'll see that the two main resolutions are to disable proxy and reset Windows Update components, and this has been approved by hundreds of users. So press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command inetcpl.cpl and hit enter. Okay, this will open the internet properties window. Go to the connections tab, select LAN settings, make sure that automatically detect settings is checked and use a proxy server for your LAN is unchecked. Then click on OK and then click on OK once again. Other than this, you can reset Windows Update components. So we have a script here. You can press Ctrl A to select the script, copy it. Now search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste this here and you are done. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.